It's right here. This. I'm going to try to open this without making a mess to put the seasoning on one side.
All right.
Let it sit for a half hour.
How many pounds of meat? This is over 10 pounds of meat, isn't it?
It's 10.65. Let's round it off at 10.
It will ooze.
You don't mind if I ooze meat juice on your tablecloth, do you?
Someone said peeling it off makes sure it's dry. Another person said,
It's the internet.
nope, it's not true. So let's just give that
That's
a
one
try.
membrane off. That's cool.
Okay, good job.
Oh,
Do it tear?
yeah, I need another one. Nice.
Okay, we're ready for the next step. So in this, I have kosher salt, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, ginger, a little bit of cinnamon, pepper, a little bit of cayenne, and I think that's it.
Oops.
So you're putting this on for an hour.
No, 30 minutes,
Oh, okay.
and then flip it and do the other side.
Well, you're using a lot of that stuff. That seems like a lot.
Do you want it to be good or bad?
No, good. That'll be good. 275?
Mm-hmm.
And how long does it take to preheat?
I think it'll take 15 minutes or so.
Is the do you have the hopper filled with enough stuff?
I'm gonna get some more stuff and put in there in just a minute.
So you're gonna flip them and then reapply.
It's the app.
Oh, nice. So once it gets to 275, it's ready. Nice.
That's why it's gonna keep going on.
Look at that. That butter goodness underneath. It's weird. My mouth is actually watering. It just smells so good.
I turned the temperature all the way down. One of them's sitting over there.
Oh, all right.
Is it open?
Yeah.
Ribs over here.
Newspaper down, it might be easier and less because there's a lot of juice.
This is the one that was on the top rack.
Oh,
It looks as good as the other ones.
wow, there's a lot of juice. That smells amazing. Oh my gosh, my mouth is watering. Oh my gosh, that looks good. Oh, that sucker's gonna break. Nice. All right, 3 racks of ribs ready to chow down on. Good job, Bella. You see the smoke ring? It's pretty cool.
Hear me
The edge
flossing.
right here.